but you don't know my name. I swear, it feels like you don't know my name.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm working with Browcode, who kindly sent me this Henna Brow Kit, and they also sent me their Define and Line eyebrow brush, which is a double-sided brush which comes with a spoolie and an angled brush. So the Henna kit is in the shade dark brown. It's so easy to use and it comes with every single thing you need to dye your brows at home. So the henna is expected to last on your eyebrows between 2 to 4 weeks, which is so good, and if you want an update then just let me know. So it comes with the brow cleanser, which is just to wash your brows beforehand, some rose water, a brow oil, and also the henna capsules, as well as a brow scrub. And then it also comes with a brush and a little pot to mix the henna. So there's about 5 capsules, which means you can apply this kit 5 times. So I'm just emptying the capsule into the little pot that it came with, and this henna kit retails for around £44, which is so affordable and it's so much cheaper than getting your eyebrows done in store. So next I'm applying about 10 drops of the rose water, and this is just going to help the henna mixture to form, so it should become this nice smooth paste. And this is what it looks like. So I did leave it aside for about 10 minutes. Then I went to the bathroom and started cleansing my eyebrows using the cleanser that the kit came with. And I'm just rubbing this onto my brows. I did wet my face beforehand. Then I'm just taking a dry cotton pad and just wiping away the cleanser. Next I applied the brow exfoliator, and I'm just applying this onto dry skin. So I did really kind of rub this in there just to ensure that my brows stay clean. And then I'm just rubbing this off with a wet cotton pad. So back into the filming setup, I just took the spoolie side of the brush and just brushed through my eyebrows. You can really see how thin my eyebrows look compared to the end. Then I'm going in with the angled brush that came inside the kit, and I'm just going through the shape of my eyebrows. So I did start off in the middle section of my eyebrow and kind of went over the arch, and then went to form the tail of my eyebrow, and then went into the front of my eyebrow. This is just to achieve an ombre effect. I think if I started off at the front, then it would probably look too blocky, which I didn't want. Not gonna lie, I was really worried about having really dark eyebrows at the end of this, but it turned out really nicely, which you'll see at the end. And then I'm just taking a cotton bud and just cleaning the brows up just to ensure they're sharp and clean. So you do want to ensure that the product on the eyebrows stay wet. So I did go back in with some rose water, and then I set a timer for about 15 minutes. And then I took a wet cotton pad and then brushed all the henna away. And as you can see, it looks really good. It looks completely different compared to how it did in the beginning, and I was really happy with the results. So you can definitely leave it on a little bit longer if you want to achieve a darker look. I think you can leave it up to 25 minutes, but I was scared about it being too dark. I did notice some patches or paler bits, so I just went over it again. Then I just used a spoolie and brushed through my eyebrows. And as you can see, it looks like I've got makeup on, which is going to be so good for when I wake up in the mornings and don't have to do much to get ready. Then I just applied the oil that the kit came with and rubbed this through my eyebrows. And this is the finished results. I'm so happy with it. It literally looks like I've got some eyebrow powder on. It looks so good. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
We'll